Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know about you, but I have started receiving Christmas cards in the mail, and I love getting Christmas cards from my friends and family, but I have always struggled to find a beautiful way to display all of these cards. In the past, I've strung them up on twine on the wall or things like that, but I've never found just a really great way to display my holiday cards. So we are going to be making something today to be able to display all of your holiday cards that you're receiving this year. So I do videos like this every single week on DIY home decor and making your home look high-end on a budget. So if you like that kind of video, definitely hit the subscribe button. It really helps out my channel a lot. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into creating this card display. Hey guys, video editing Noelle here, and I actually just realized that this video is going to be going live on my birthday. So to celebrate, I wanted to do a giveaway with you guys, and I'm actually going to be giving away a set of these Christmas card holder houses. So make sure that you stick around to the end of the video to see how you can be entered to win. So to make this Christmas card display, I'm going to be using some scrap wood. So I just have these 2x4 pieces of scrap wood that I just had in my garage, but you can use whatever scrap wood you have. You could use a 4x4, would look really pretty. In this, we are actually going to be cutting these down into different sizes, like different heights, and then we're going to be making some cute little wooden houses out of these. I'm very excited about this. I actually got some inspiration for this from Cotton Stem over on Instagram. So she made like some little house candle holder things, but I saw it and really thought that this would be a really cool idea to do, using that as some inspiration. So I'm very excited to try this out. The first thing we're going to do is cut our boards down to size. And you always want to use safety gear to protect you while you're working with power tools. So I personally didn't measure out exact measurements because I wanted the houses to be all different heights, and I was working with scrap wood. If you don't have scrap wood, you can buy a 2x4 for like $2 and do this project for really cheap. And I'm just using my miter saw to cut these down. Once we've cut our pieces down, we're going to create a slot to place the Christmas cards into. So to do this, I'm using a table saw and have adjusted the height of the blade to be 2 inches and have adjusted the guide fence to 3/4 of an inch so that the blade would go straight through the center of the 2x4. If you've never used power tools before, I really encourage you guys to give it a try. It gives you the ability to make some really cool projects if you learn how to use them. Once we've got the slot made, it's time to make the house peaks. So first, I'm just going to mark the halfway point on each of these 2x4s, which for the 2x4s is 1 3/4 inches. This mark is going to be the guide we use for cutting out our peaks. Now we can move on to cutting off the corners to make the peak of our houses. I'm going to be using my miter saw again just because I'm able to cut angles really easily with this. So I've just adjusted the saw blade to cut at a 45-degree angle to make the cuts. I'm just lining up the laser to the top of the middle spot that I marked off to make sure that I can get the same cut on each side. Once I've made all of my cuts and have little houses, I'm just going to sand them down to get the cuts nice and smooth. Now to finish these little card houses off, I'm going to apply some wood stain, and this is just in the color Weathered Oak. which really helps to tone down the yellow in this wood. You could also stain these any other color you want, or you could even use paint. So you could paint them white or black or whatever fits the style of your home. And once the stain dries, we're going to go ahead and style these. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're wanting to be entered into the giveaway for these card holder houses, then all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and then in the comments below leave me the comment happy birthday so that I know that you're wanting to be entered into the giveaway. And this will be running through until my next video goes live next Sunday. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Christmas, that's like the one that I used to know.